Hello, my dear listeners. My name is John. I am a student. Today, I want to tell you about my school life and how I learn English in my school. I really love my school. It's not very big, but it is very beautiful. There are many green trees and colorful flowers around. Our school building is white. It has many classrooms. There's also a big playground. I play football there with my friends. Every morning I wake up early. I wear my school uniform. I pack my bag and take my books. Then I go to school with my friends. When I reach school, I meet my teachers and friends. We greet our teachers by saying, "Good morning, sir," and "Good morning, madam." First, we have morning assembly. We sing our national song and pray for everyone's good health. After that, we go to our classrooms. My classroom is large and clean. There are desks and chairs for all of us. We sit in rows. I sit beside my best friend Rahim. We learn many subjects in school. We study English, math, science, social studies, and Bangla. My favorite subject is English. Our English teacher is very nice. Her name is Mrs. Sultana. She teaches us new words and sentences every day. She speaks slowly so we can understand. She writes on the blackboard. We read after her. She makes us speak English with our friends. We also read stories aloud in class. Sometimes she tells us short stories in English. We enjoy them a lot. We also learn new words and how to use them. We have a library in our school. It has many English books. I visit the library every week to read something new. I enjoy reading simple story books with pictures. Sometimes I read books about animals, places, or famous people. If I don't understand a word, I ask my teacher. She always explains with a smile. She never gets upset with us. She sometimes uses hand signs or draws pictures to make us understand better. We do many fun things to learn English. Sometimes we act in plays. Sometimes we sing English songs. We also play games with words. One day, we played a game called Word Chain. It was so exciting. We also play spelling games and quiz games to remember new words. In class, we sit in small groups. We ask each other questions like, "What is your name? Where do you live? What do you like to eat?" Sometimes we make our own questions and try to answer them in English. These questions help us speak in English without fear. Our teacher claps and says, "Good job," when we try our best. She also gives us small stars or stickers when we do well in speaking. During lunch, I sit with my friends. We eat our tiffin and talk in English. We say things like, "Please give me water." "Would you like a biscuit?" Sometimes we even play a game of only English during tiffin time. If someone speaks another language, they must tell a new English word to join again. After lunch, we have more classes. But in every class, our teachers use some English words. It helps us hear and learn English every day. For example, our math teacher says, "Very good" and "Well done" when we solve problems. Our science teacher explains difficult words in both Bangla and English. Our principal sometimes visits the class. He asks, "How are you?" or "Are you doing well?" We answer in English. It makes us feel proud. He also tells us to keep practicing English at home. When classes are over, we go to the playground. We play football, cricket, and kabaddi. While playing, we use English words and cheer each other. We shout, "Pass the ball" or "Great shot" while playing. Sometimes we even try to give English commentary while playing football. When school ends, we say goodbye to our friends and teachers. Then we walk home happily, talking along the way. At home, I do my English homework first. I read my lessons loudly and write short sentences in my notebook.
Sometimes I call Rahim and we practice English together. We make sentences like, "What are you doing?" "I'm reading an English book." We also try to act like teachers and teach each other for fun. On weekends, my father tells me to read an English story to him. He listens carefully and says, "Very good, John. Keep practicing." My mother helps too. She asks me to write new words on paper and read them daily. She always says, "English will help you in the future." Sometimes she tells me to write small stories using the new words I learned. I love my school because it gives me good friends and great teachers. I learn many useful things there. I learn to be kind and to speak English. One day, I want to be a great English speaker. I want to talk to people around the world. I want to travel and use my English everywhere. I want to go to new places, meet people, and understand their stories. I know I must practice daily, so I read, write, and speak English as much as I can. My family and teachers always support me. Sometimes I teach my little sister new English words. She smiles and repeats after me. That makes me feel very happy. We play word games together, and I feel proud when she remembers a new word. My friends and I help one another. We never laugh at mistakes. We learn together and correct each other with love. If you want to speak English like me, you must also practice every day. Read books, listen to songs, watch simple English videos. Talk to your friends in English. Use short sentences. Practice again and again. Don't feel shy, just try. You can also talk to yourself in front of a mirror. It helps you become more confident. English is not hard if you keep practicing. Always remember, practice makes you perfect. Thank you for listening to my story about school and how I learn English. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share this story with your friends and tell them, let's learn English together. See you again in my next story. Take care, my friends. Keep reading, keep writing, keep speaking English. Bye-bye.